Good morning and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am fixing another issue on this car, which is this right here. So you can see right here, I am running super low on the back. I can't even get a finger between the fender and the wheel. So today's video, I'm raising the rear up maybe 3/4 of an inch or half an inch because I want to be just like this right here. And to be honest, I have a lot of rubbing issues when it comes to the back when I turn corners. And today I don't want that to happen anymore. So as I got older, maturing and realizing is that you need to go back and fix your mistakes. Now I knew there was going to be an issue when I did put these BC Racing Coilovers on it, and when I did slam the back, I'm like, oh, it's fine, I'm not gonna worry about it. But when I drive with anybody, somebody in the front seat, somebody in the back seat, the rubbing issue is crazy, where I get scared like a wheel's gonna pop. So that's why today's video we're fixing my lovely mistake back here. Now I want at least one finger between the fender and the wheel, like I just said. So that's what we're gonna strive for today. And yeah, so that's what we're doing, fixing another mistake on this car. I just can't do it no more. I cannot be this low in the back. It looks good, but it's not drivable, you know. And especially in Georgia, we have speed bumps, all type of stuff, and I just want to make sure we have the same gap, 3/4 of an inch or a half an inch between the front and the rear. So first thing I'm gonna do is jack this car up in the back, get some jack stands, take the wheels off, and we're gonna fix this. So this is very, very easy to do. What you have to do is actually just adjust the springs in the back, and I'll show you guys. Because when it comes to coilovers, the biggest thing people really confused about where to adjust, how to adjust. I'm gonna show you that all today. So yes, welcome back to another video, and let's get started with these back coilovers. Oh my gosh, I swear the e-brake is up. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that never happened. Wasn't expecting that to happen. I always remember, be safe. So this is where we adjust our coilover height right here. So the first thing we do, I need to break both collars, and then we can start adjusting our coilovers. To lower your car, you want to go that way. To raise the height on your car, you want to go that way. So that's what we're going to do. We're going this way, we're going to break it, and we're going this way today. It's very simple to do, very simple process. I mean, this is my third time putting on coilovers, and the more you put them on and the more you adjust them, you get better at it. But yes, very easy, simple thing to do. Now the hardest part is probably going to be cracking these, breaking these collars, because I haven't touched these coilovers in about, wow, 3 years now. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I'm probably gonna need some WD-40. I ran out of WD-40, so brake cleaner should do the job. inches. I say less than a quarter. That's where I'm at. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna mark this. I already took a picture on my phone. I'm gonna go on this side and do the same exact thing. But we're going ahead and go over there. We're gonna pre-measure and see where we're already at, and then we need to beat our goal. So then we should have a same exact measurement on both sides, and then we should be good. All right, so this side is complete. This side was a little bit different because I didn't have to take this color off. It just all spun together. I mean, you can still do it that way. Now I just gotta lock this side up, but both sides have the same exact measurements. I'm gonna show you on my lovely cell phone. This right here is the driver's side. This right here is the passenger side. Same exact measurements. Hopefully everything comes out right when I do put the wheels back on. Hopefully I have enough clearance gap. Now I might have more than, maybe I could probably put 2 fingers in there, but I'm going for 1 finger to go in between the wheel and the fender. So that's what we're striving for. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and we're gonna see where we're at on the rear. I am so happy that I did tackle this, because this has been killing me for the last like several months. Like I've been hearing it here and there to my drive somewhere, especially when I go to Atlanta. I get so scared when I'm so far away that you don't know what can happen, and you don't want to break down you don't want to have a breakdown on 285, I-20, anywhere in downtown Atlanta. We can dial this in and we can keep it like this, and hopefully everything's fine. I think I did it, but it's always the issue. So the driver's side is perfect. I can put a finger right here. At first I couldn't put nothing right here, so I can actually go under there with my finger. Now the issue is on the passenger side. Don't know why. Did the same exact measurements and everything, and I can't get my finger in here for some reason. Get it here, but not right here where I need it to be. So I'm really debating, should I fix it or should I just leave it alone? In my mind, I want to leave it alone. Also, I want to fix it at the same time, but I truly believe we should be good right there. I did go up 3/4 of an inch. So basically what I'm really trying to figure out is I might need to go all the way up, at least about 2 or 3 inches. You actually see a big difference to get a really 1 finger gap. I mean, I'm gonna go down the road to drive and see if we have any rubber issues. We probably are gonna have some rubber issues. So if I come to the conclusion and I fix this, you will see it, or maybe not. I maybe just do it off camera. But yeah, but this comes to the very end of the day's video, how to adjust coilovers. I did the adjustment strictly like you're supposed to. I don't know why it's always weird when you do coilovers. Like one side is always perfect and the other side is always off. And this is what it is right now. This side is off right now, but it's fine. I'm gonna leave it as it is. It should be good. You never know, I might just go down the road and it might be perfectly fine. But for right now, this is how we're gonna leave it. So this comes to the very end of the day's video. Another day of me fixing another issue that I've been trying to fix. I don't know until I drive it, but hopefully it'll be fixed. If it's not, I'll fix it again. Doesn't matter. I always go back and fix the mistakes, make mistakes, go back and fix it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, showing you guys how to adjust your coilovers in the back. See you guys later, and yeah.